Magandang hapon po sa lahat. DA17 fixed dashboard. So morning job order no, o rewiring. So this one is from Bukidnon po ito. PMS ang kanyang makina because vibration no. So hopefully sana tuloy-tuloy na. So natin mga oil na US lube. This is the third batch. So dumating na rin po. So ito naman po is DA64. So grabe ang leaking sa makina niya, rear and front. So back to back. Okay, so ito naman po is DA17 aircon servicing. So kargahan na ni Trion. So this one is from Samar City. So heavy PMS under chassis no, shock mountain, mga brake pad, brake shoes, stabilizer bushing. Lahat na po ng chassis yan. So to be fixed. Okay. So this one is from Cagayan City. So ang job order nito is grabe kadaghan. So halos mapuno ang notebook yun no. So this one is releasing this coming Saturday. Finalized no, fix na rin po yung ilalim. Okay, so this one is DA64 non-turbo, fix na rin po yung ilalim, and you know, kanyang engine is may leaking po, dumaan po sa pulley. Okay, so this one is our walk-in client DA64 for change oil and check brake system, and this one is releasing this coming Saturday our DA17 nga grabe kapogi, you know. So for those na may mga problema no, mapa DA64, DA17, DA63, DA17V non-turbo, DA17W turbo, just contact us, Jessica from Davao City.